So students, today I just quoted some examples of the compound to be named by IUPAC, just for you to understand I gave. So this compound, suppose say this is a number as 1, this is say 2, this is say 3, this is say 4. Now here, in this case, I have here a compound which is perfluoropropane. Perfluoropropane, say here 3 fluorine, here also fluorine, here also fluorine, no hydrogen attached. So this is perfluoropropane. Okay. Then IUPAC name of that compound, IUPAC name of this compound will be octafluoropropane. Octa why? Because there are 8 carbon, 8 fluorine, 3 to 5 and 3, 8 fluorine, octafluoropropane. The compound suppose say like this. Now in this case, this is numbered here as 1 because this carbon carries halogen. So you have to give the preference to that carbon. So 1 chloro, 3 phenyl, okay? Because as I told you, the mention in my video that phenyl is C6H5. So this is phenyl. So 3 phenyl propane. Suppose you have a compound which is cyclic. These are called cyclic compound. So here, in this case, suppose bromine is attached here, then no need of actually naming as 1 bromo. I just given the number here 1, 2, 3, 4 to understand that it is 4 carbon compound, but cyclic. Therefore, 1 bromo and cyclobutane, there is no need. You can just call it as bromocyclobutane because there is no any other side chain attached. Now, in this case, if you just see this compound, here there is bromine and here there is methyl. There is a side chain. So here you have to give the compound here as 1 bromo, 2 methyl. You have to mention where the methyl group is attached. 1 bromo, 2 methyl. And then cyclo what? Butane again because there are 4 carbon. Suppose there is a double bond compound and there is iodine attached here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this case, you have to give the preference to the double bond and not to the halogen. So here we have to call this as 1, this is say 2, this is say 3. Okay, we can suppose if I call it as 1 here, 1 on this, 2 here and 3 here, 4, that is wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now where the iodine attached to carbon number 3, so we have to mention here 3 iodo. Alright, and then carbon number 1 and 2, there is a double bond. So what we have to say here, 1 cyclobutene. 1 cyclobutene. Or I can also call like this, 3 iodo. Cyclobute. 1 in. 1, when I mention here 1, it is understood that double bond is between 1 and 2. If there was, suppose say, double bond between 2 and 3, then you have to mention only the first number, 2. I have mentioned here the first number as 1 only. There is no need of calling 1, 2. It is understood moment I say 1 cyclobutene. That means double bond is between 1 and 2. Okay, just follow this.